Hi everyone, everything EmloyConcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you're a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cake. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. Today's video is about a traditional wedding cake, a step-by-step on how we decorated the traditional wedding cake. Guys, enjoy the video, leave your comments below, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. If you have watched this far, thank you. Kindly subscribe, leave us your comments below, share this video. Thank you so much. Let us know your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to get more of this video. Thank you. See you guys.